Hello, people. So, this is for the first time ever since I began this trip to the. It's called SSRDP program, Sri Ravi Shankar Rural Development Program, and this is the first time ever I've been able to record a video 2 times in a day. So basically, I'm in this room, and I that has been allotted by the. Assistant Welfare Department of Tirupathi. So it's a lovely, yeah, cute little, small little, compact, nice room, and I can see the small children here playing, and I think they can hear me also. You can see them, right? So yeah, it's attached to a government boys' school, and I went there in the morning just to take a look, and such sweet kids. Yeah, I mean seriously. So I think Teach India program. Like I'm thinking once I get back to Hyderabad, I would really want to be part of Teach India program. And I have to say this: Tirupati is such a hot place that in the morning I was dressed in a different type salwar. Now I'm dressed in a different salwar. And these are all new stuff that I got at DMart. I have no idea why I'm giving such irrelevant information, but seriously, no, I'm just saying in a place as hot as Tirupati or any of these, interior Andhra, basically that's what summer season. It's going to be the peak of May, peak of summer. It's almost end of April, right? May. So, so that's what. It just feels nice to shoot a new video. And now I think I'll do my Sudarshan Kriya for the second time because for some reason I'm getting stressed. Yeah, it's so hot and all of that. But right now I have to travel to this place called Chandragiri, which is I don't know how far from Tirupati, and my co-trainer is expecting, so she's 7 months pregnant. So it's we'll be going by auto, I think. But yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.